Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into clock and tap on alarm over here. Now tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose OK and pick days of the week. Then tap on add label your alarm however you wish to, save it by tapping on OK, and tap on this bell icon. Now you can select one of those melodies or one of those sources by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also choose add new, pick music from your device and set it up as well. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by clicking on this pen icon, pin one over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!